If you love a flower, don't pick it up. Because if you pick it up, it dies, and it ceases to be what you love. So, if you love a flower, let it be. Love is not about possession. Love is about appreciation. Experience life in all possible ways. Good, bad, bitter, sweet, dark, light, summer, winter. Experience all the dualities. Don't be afraid of experience, because the more experience you have, the more mature you become. To be creative means to be in love with life. You can be creative only if you love life enough that you want to enhance its beauty. You want to bring a little more music to it, a little more poetry to it, a little more dance to it. Friendship is the purest love. It is the highest form of love where nothing is asked for, no condition, where one simply enjoys giving. Drop the idea of becoming someone, because you are already a masterpiece. You cannot be improved. You have only to come to it, to know it, to realize it. Truth is not something outside to be discovered. It is something inside to be realized. You feel good, you feel bad, and these feelings are bubbling from your own unconsciousness, from your own past. Nobody is responsible except you. Nobody can make you angry, and nobody can make you happy. Intelligence is dangerous. Intelligence means you will start thinking on your own. You will start looking around on your own. You will not believe in the scriptures. You will believe only in your own experience. Creativity is the greatest rebellion in existence. Millions of people are suffering. They want to be loved, but they don't know how to love. And love cannot exist as a monologue. It is a dialogue, a very harmonious dialogue. My meditation is simple. It does not require any complex practices. It is simple. It is singing. It is dancing. It is sitting silently. Truth is not to be found outside. No teacher, no scripture can give it to you. It is inside you. And if you wish to attain it, seek your own company. Be with yourself. The real question is not whether life exists after death. The real question is whether you are alive before death. I live my life based on two principles. 1. I live as if today was my last day on earth. 2. I live today as if I am going to live forever. Find ecstasy within yourself. It is not out there. It is in your innermost flowering. The one you are looking for is you. Be less of a judge, and you will be surprised that when you become a witness and you don't judge yourself, you stop judging others too. And that makes you more human, more compassionate, more understanding. When I say be creative, I don't mean that you should all go and become great painters and great poets. I simply mean let your life be a painting. Let your life be a poem. One just needs a little alertness to see and find out. Life is really a great cosmic laughter. It is beautiful to be alone. It is also beautiful to be in love, to be with people, and they are complementary, not contradictory. You will find meaning in life only if you create it. It is a poetry to be composed. It is a song to be sung. It is a dance to be danced. What is discipline? Discipline means creating an order within you. As you are chaos. There is great difference between trust and belief. Trust is personal, belief is social. You need power only to do something harmful. Otherwise, love is enough. Compassion is enough. The tongue never slips. Remember this always. What goes on within the mind comes invariably on the tongue. Intelligence comes from meditation. Intelligence comes from rebellion. Intelligence does not come from memory. In love, the other is important. In lust, you are important. Always remember to judge everything by your inner feeling of bliss. Lovers never surrender to each other. Lovers simply surrender to love. Wherever you are afraid, try to explore, and you will find death hiding somewhere behind. All fear is of death. Death is the only fear source. Never belong to a crowd. Never belong to a nation. Never belong to a religion. Never belong to a race. Belong to the whole existence. Why limit yourself to small things when the whole is available?